guys, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. It's incredible. So today, as you can see, I have tried the black lipstick shade. I know everyone is not going to like this, but I personally kind of like it. If you have creative mind, you will also like it. But I just tried something different from the rest of the makeups. So to know how I created this look, please continue watching. So as always, before starting my makeup, I'm going to apply the aloe vera gel from Patanjali. I'm going to gently push it into my skin and massage it well on my skin. And remaining, I'm going to apply it on my hand. Next, I'm going to apply the moisturizer from Joy. This is very good moisturizer those who have dry skin. This also I'm going to massage it into my skin. So next I'm going to apply the primer from Body Care. I'm going to apply it on my T-zone. And just pushing it into my skin. This is very important step. You should always do this step. Next I'm going to apply the foundation from Pat Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it all over my face. My shade is 2.1. Don't neglect your neck. I'm going to take the beauty blender and going to blend the foundation well into my skin. Blend it well so that your base looks flawless and not cakey. Next I'm going to use the concealer from Swiss Beauty. My shade is 06 Clairvoyant. I'm going to apply it on my under eye, on the eyelids, on forehead, nose, cupid's bow and chin. And taking a beauty blender, I'm going to blend it well. Make sure your concealer is not looking cakey and looking flawless. Next I'm going to take the gel liner, brown gel liner, and do my brows. I have dark brows already, so I just need to fill it little. So next I'm going to take the brush and brush my brows. I'm done with both the brows, and now I'm going to set my base with the compact powder from Lotus. Just dab onto your skin, don't drag it. So now for bronzer, blusher and highlighter, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty palette shade number 3, and I'm going to take the contour brush and start my contouring. Under the cheekbone, to define your jawline. And as I have the double chin, I will go little lower. Also on your forehead. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with my contouring, and now I'll do the same on the another side. Now for nose contouring, I'm taking the flat brush and contouring my nose. As you can see, the nose is looking very pretty. Oh my god, I'm in love with my nose. It's looking so pretty. I'm just going to apply the blush on my cheeks and make my cheeks look pink. Now I'm going to take the highlighter brush and just going to highlight on the highlighting points. Also on my nose and chin and cupid's bow. Next I'm going to take the same palette and I'm going to pick the light brown shade and just buff it into my crease. We don't have to do very dramatic shadows. Just to give the eye the dimension, we have to use these two shades. First the light brown and next the yellowish shade which is near it. And I'm just going to blend it well. Now doing the same thing on the another eye, and as you can see I chose the wrong eyeshadow and I realized it later. Now as you can see, I've completed my eyeshadow and did it perfect. So it's time to do the liner, and I'm taking the black gel liner and the flat brush, and I'm just drawing a line. If you want to see how I do my winged eyeliner, you can click the I button and go and check the video. So just drawing a line and taking it to the corner, inner corner, and just then filling it. It's very simple. As you can see, I've got the really nice wing liner. I'm making it a little bold because the look is dramatic, so your liner should look dramatic. So I'm done with my both the eyes, and now I'll start doing my lips. So for lips, I'm going to do black lips. I'm taking the black eyebrow pencil to line my lips. Here you can use any type of lipstick, any shade lipstick, because with this eyeshadow look you can go with any shade of lipstick, whether it is matte, whether it is glossy, or whether it is creamy. Any type of lipstick will suit on this, and any shade, whether it is nude or whether it is dark. So it's up to your choice. I'm doing a dramatic look, so I chose black color. Okay, so I'm done with it, and I'm going to fill the whole lip with the same liner. Now I'm taking the black gel liner and a brush, and I'm just going to fill whole the lips. I know you are going to think that what is she doing, but it's creative, you know. So I'm done with my lips and my whole look. So guys, I know that Indians are not very attached to this shade of lipstick, but if you think very creative and if you are thinking professionally, then you can understand the creation of my mind. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's incredible. See you all in the next video. Bye.